Excuse me, is this the check-in counter for flight A320 to London?
Yes, it is. Good morning, sir. May I please have your passport and ticket?
Sure, here you go.
Thank you. Are you checking in any luggage today?
Yes, I have one suitcase.
Please place it on the scale.
Perfect. Your bag is within the weight limit. Do you prefer a window seat or an aisle seat? A window seat, please.
All right, I'll assign you a window seat. Here is your boarding pass. Your gate is B12, and boarding will start at 10:15 a.m.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome. Do you have any hand luggage?
Yes, I have this backpack.
That's fine. Please go to the security check next.
Great. How long does it usually take?
Around 10 to 15 minutes, depending on the line.
Okay, thanks for the help.
Have a safe flight, sir.
Thank you. Have a nice day.
Hi, good morning. Could you please tell me where to put my luggage?
Good morning, sir. Please place your bags on the conveyor belt.
Sure. Do I need to take out my laptop?
Yes, please. Laptops and electronic devices go in a separate tray.
Got it. Here's my laptop.
Please remove any metal items from your pockets, like coins, keys, and your belt.
Okay. Takes off belt and empty pockets. Done.
Thank you. Step through the scanner, please.
All right.
All clear. You may collect your belongings now.
Thank you very much.
Have a safe flight, sir.
Thanks. You too.
Hi, good morning. Is this seat 12A?
Good morning, sir. Yes, that's your seat. Here's your boarding pass.
Thank you. Can I put my backpack in the overhead bin?
Of course. Let me help you with it.
Thanks. How long is the flight to London?
Approximately 7 hours, sir. We'll serve lunch about 2 hours after takeoff.
Great. Do you have vegetarian meal options?
Yes, we do. I'll note it down for you.
Thank you. Could I also get a pillow and blanket?
Sure, sir. Here's a pillow and a blanket for you.
Perfect. Thanks. Hello. Could you take me to the Grandview Hotel, please?
Sure, sir. Do you want the fastest route or the scenic route?
The fastest route, please. I'm a little tired from the flight.
No problem. How long have you been in the city before?
This is my first time here. I'm traveling for business.
Oh, welcome. You'll love this city. Traffic can be busy, though.
I don't mind. I just want to get to the hotel safely.
Could you please tell me when we're near the hotel?
Of course, sir. We'll be there in about 15 minutes.
Thank you.
Hello. I have a reservation under the name Adam Carter.
Good afternoon, Mr. Carter. Welcome to Grandview Hotel. May I see your ID and credit card, please?
Sure. Here they are.
Thank you. Your room is on the 5th floor, room number 512. Would you like help with your luggage?
Yes, please. That would be great.
Thank you. Could you tell me when breakfast is served?
Breakfast is from 7 a.m. to 10 a.m. in the dining area.
Perfect. Also, does the hotel have Wi-Fi?
Yes, free Wi-Fi is available in all rooms. The password is written on your keycard holder.
Hello. Table for one, please.
Good evening, sir. Right this way.
Thank you. Could I see the menu, please?
Of course. Here you go.
I'd like to order the grilled salmon and a glass of water, please.
Sure. Would you like any appetizers?
Yes, the garden salad sounds good.
Great. Your food will be ready shortly.
Thank you.
Everything looks delicious.
Thank you.
Enjoy your meal, sir.